I will demonstrate how to change the display of this ThinkPad X260 to this new one. For that, first unplug the power, remove the external battery, start the computer and go into the BIOS or UEFI by pressing F1 or Enter. Head to Config Power and press Disable Built-in Battery. Now all power should be disabled since the external battery and the power supply are removed. Now you can start to pry away the bezel here of the screen with your fingernails or some tools that you have lying around. So I'll start down here at the corner. And you can just gently slide up here and you can remove the bezel. So as you can see, the upper part is loose now. We only have to remove the bottom layer. For that you can start at the inside of the screen and gently pull. Now you feel it sticks a bit to the bottom, but it's just lying here, so you can just move it out. Let's put it to the side for a second. And you can see the laptop with the bezel removed. So you can just carefully take out the screen here. Move it over here. Now we can see the connector here. Sounds maybe a good point to make sure that the connector position of your replacement screen matches the one of your screen, or maybe before you order, since the screen for the X260 comes in versions with the screen connector in the middle and versions with the screen connector here on the side. You can see that there's a bit of tape around the connector that we have to remove. I'm using a screwdriver for this. So you will be able to see this metal here. Carefully. You have to move this up. Like this. Now we can carefully pull out the connection cable. When you're done, you can get rid of the old screen. Take the new one and connect the cable again. Now you see the cable is inside. Make sure that the connector is all the way in, as I show you here. You can press a bit from the back. And when it is, you should be able to close the latch again. Now it's down on the bottom again. Before you move the new panel back up, you should make sure that the cable goes back into its position. So it has to go back down there. On the screen. Computer. Just go around and close all the gaps. Once you're finished, you can plug in the power supply again to activate the internal battery and boot your computer. Check if the screen still works.